Hello, this tutorial is to show you how to create a Teams meeting within the calendar option of Microsoft Teams. That way we can go in and get the necessary information for a session initiation protocol or SIP call in BRT 115. How we will be implementing that information will be in the video for the next module. Microsoft Teams offers a number of different visual appearances and themes. And for this, we're going to be using arbitrarily dark mode. What we're going to do is create a meeting by clicking into the calendar. And from this point on, we will go in and add the necessary information. From there, you can go in and add the necessary people, and then you can adjust the time and date and also add it to your Microsoft Teams channel. At this time, we ask that you do not use BRT 115 in location, as that does not have a calendar to add. You can go in and make certain modifications to your meeting as well, including recording and transcription if you have that option. More options are also available here by clicking on More Options. Once completed, hit Save, and the meeting will go in to your calendar, as well as those who were invited. To pull up the information needed for a SIP call, click on the meeting and then scroll down and grab the information here. This will be helpful, as I said earlier, in the next module.